This is how we do the Tawalunga in Tonga. You can come close and take a look. You can come close and take a feel of the Ieponga and Ie Samoa. And traditionally in our Tongan customs, the stories are told by the hands, the movements of their hands. If you can notice also, the feet does not really move, but the hand and the upper body, the motion tell the story in terms of the beauty of the islands, the sea, the sky. Oh yeah. You can do that too, huh? All right, folks. Again, ladies and gentlemen.